How to delete your Uber driver account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your Uber driver account, so simply make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to delete your Uber driver account, not the one that as a passenger or customer, but the one as a delivery person, right? So you want to delete your delivery account on Uber. It is very simple to do so. All you have to do is come to this direct link, which I'll make sure to drop a link below as well. This is the official help page to delete our delivery account on Uber, and as you can see I'm also already logged into my Uber account. So over here you can delete your account here if you're a fleet or a Uber freight user, but this is only for customers and passengers. This is not really for us, okay? So if you want to delete your delivery account, just scroll down and then here you'll see all the sorts of options. It says I don't want to use my delivery account anymore, right? So you just want to make sure to turn this toggle on. Make sure you sign into the correct Uber account, and over here simply enter the reason as to why you want to delete your Uber driver account. Once you select the reason for deleting your Uber driving or your delivery account, then what you can do is just select the option called submit, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the option called submit from the bottom, now they've received a request. They're going to take that into consideration and then reach out to you as to whether or not they should delete your Uber driver account. And that's all it takes to delete your Uber driver or delivery account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.